All right, YouTube viewers, I've got a relic here from the past. For those of you that don't know what this is, let's open it and see what it is. You know it's a disposable camera. This disposable camera, something you had to use in the 90s to take pictures, or earlier. You didn't have cell phones and iPhones back then. This is what you had to do to take a camera. You had to take a selfie like this. We had selfies in the 90s, but this is how you had to do it. You had to flip the camera, apparently you had to flip this camera on. And while it's on, take a picture. And you had to rewind it. See the red light up there? That's how you took a picture. And rewind it, take the next picture. 27 pictures on here. So that's Kai Ramsey with a relic from the past. This is Kai Ramsey for YouTube Sports.